We're literally out of water right now. We're completely empty. We came in and finished washing the dishes from yesterday. So we'll just leave it in here and we'll need to fill up some fresh water today. That's going to be part of what we need to do. What's up, guys? Today's day 16-15 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we're currently in Colorado Springs, Colorado. This is a day in our lives. We're not going to be able to make breakfast in the van today. As I mentioned, there's no water, won't be able to wash anything, so we're just going to go pick up some food. I think we want like Dunkin' Donuts or something, so we'll just pick up something quick. Flour. The plan for today is we are going to go get some breakfast, then fill up our fresh water tank, and then have Spencer play for a little bit here in Colorado Springs before we make our drive southward towards Pablo, which is about an hour away. So let's get our day going. Let's eat breakfast and then we'll be on our way. We haven't had Dunkin' Donuts in so long. We haven't really seen a Dunkin' Donuts around here in the West Coast. I don't think it's that common. It's definitely more common, more popular in the East Coast, like everywhere. Bagel bite for Spencer with cream cheese inside. Ooh, it's kind of soft. That's an interesting bagel.
It's regular bagel.
Just a unique shape. You've been craving their croissants for a while now.
I was gonna ask you to buy me like the Dunkin' Donut when we were in New York. But then we just don't have time. We were like always going out in the morning.
We're making our way over to a space museum here in Colorado Springs. It should be a cool one to check out. I'm gonna spend the rest of the afternoon here. The space museum that we're visiting today is the Space Foundation and Discovery Center. This is going to be a free museum for us. We always look for free things to do, and because we're part of a children's museum that's part of the ASTC Passport program, this is a reciprocal museum, so reciprocal museums get free access, which is awesome. We love looking for free things to do. Alien? Let's do Alien. Alien! Mama's gonna be space the astronaut. Alien! Can you look over here? Let's go inside. Ooh, this is cool. This is a very cute jacket. It's an astronaut, isn't it? Looks like there's a bunch of things to do here at the museum. There's a drone zone. You can fly some drones. There's a 3D printing pen station here. It's a little bit too advanced for Spencer. And then there's going to be a Martian Mars Robotics Laboratory. And then afterwards, I think there's like a show here on the science on a sphere. It's going to be cool. Let's roam around here. Let's play a little bit. Whoa, it's like a craft in the water. Robot in the water. Hey, can we try to move it around? It's got a old school Nintendo remote. Can you move it around? Ooh, you can press it and it moves. Look, you can control it. You want to try? Yeah, press the button. Whoa! Are you driving that thing? You gotta stay on this side. There's a wire to the remote. Wow! Are you controlling that? That's cool, isn't it? Back and forth. Check out the drone zone. They're gonna close it down shortly, so see if we can find some drones. Whoa. Okay.
Don't press any buttons and you'll be good to go.
Okay. Whoa, it's a drone, isn't it? Kind of hard to find. Color table here. Look, you can put these here. You can see the color change. Ooh, you see how the color changes? What are you doing here?
I don't know.
This is infrared? I think it is, so it detects your heat So you can see which material is the best insulator. What kind of material is this?
There you go.
Yeah. Cool, right? Yeah. And you can smell. What does it smell like? You have some deodorant here. Touch. It's a rocket engine here, Spence.
Sent all the ice particles around, took about a week. Vita. How did that happen? So they predicted where it was and the size of it pretty accurately.
Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Yay! What's the? We test the rocket stability based on the fins. This one's not that stable, huh? This one's not even straightened up. There's some cables and switches. Play around with it. You can connect it to the battery here, and then get the alarm to go off. And the lights too. There's a button here. We connect this one, and then we can connect it to the... Ooh, this is beeping. I'll do this button here. We can do the fan. Press this button. Cool, right? Yeah, the Mars Robotics Lab here. Let's go check this out. Whoa, hi.
You guys want to drive the rover?
Yes, we do. You wanna go check it out, Spence? You wanna drive the rover? Whoa, this is Mars. Oh, perfect. This is so cool.
You can change its color. Do you want maybe
Ooh,
purple?
what color you want?
What color you want? Blue?
You wanna pick a color?
Blue.
There you go. Yep, forward, left,
Ooh.
and left and right.
It's a little rover going around. Nice job controlling it. Almost turning right.
Yeah.
Little rover there.
This is modeled off of real terrain from Mars.
Is it really?
Taking pictures of, yeah, so we took coordinates off of it.
And like the curvatures and everything is like real.
Uh-huh.
That's really cool.
And that's the life size of one of the rovers that's actually up there. It's a big rover.
Wow.
Solar panels, and they have such dust storms on Mars that block the solar panels. So
Okay.
The solar panels stop charging them.
And there's no way to clean them,
There's
right?
no way to, yeah.
Can the
Now
other
our
ones
newer
clean each other?
Yeah, our newer ones have like nuclear battery power, so they last a lot longer.
Really?
And that one's taking drilled samples. Like this is a drill
Uh-huh.
on the end of it. You can kind of see on that one.
Yeah.
It's taking samples of the dirt to hopefully ship back to Earth eventually.
And there's drones there too?
There's well, that's Ingenuity, the helicopter that
Okay.
was helping scope out where to go, but Ingenuity has now landed and dived.
Oh. This one? Yeah, go forward. Is this cool? What's this? Wow. 3, 2, 1. Lift off! Choo! Nice. It's the moon. We're on the moon. If you walk around it, you can make footsteps. Look. That's cute.
Yes, this is
That's the moon.
You see your footsteps?
Bounce, 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 a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce, a bounce. This is the 3D printing lab.
I was thinking the exact same thing, but it's like, how does it need? But here we've got kind of little handheld 3D printers. And then if you make it even thicker by just going over the lines.
They got the little 3D printers going here. The little robots. Astronauts, actually. You can trace like a planet. You see how Mama's tracing? Yeah, Mama's making something. Yours is you gotta trace. You gotta press this and you gotta trace. Yeah, you gotta. Yeah. it's all coming together here. It's coming out, huh? It's a little rocket ship, isn't it? 3D printed rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Shoo. We just got done with the Space Museum here. I think this is a really nice museum. It's not that big, and it's not crowded either. So Spencer got to roam around and kind of look at different things. Although it's not necessarily age appropriate for him, but there's just a lot of cool things to look at. And the little rover controller was really fun too. And yeah, it's a cool place to visit with toddlers, especially if it's free, which is really, really nice. All right, we're gonna be leaving Colorado Springs now, and we're gonna continue heading south towards Pueblo, Colorado. We just got to Pueblo, Colorado, and Spencer just woke up from his nap. We're gonna walk around Walmart for a little bit. I think Rena wants to pick up some salsa, right?
Salsa.
Salsa.
Not salsa.
You can have salsa too. Finally, the eggs are back down to like a normal price. The Vital Farm eggs, the pasture-raised ones, are now $5.62, which is the cheapest I've seen it. Okay. And I found a pretty good deal on the Melissa and Doug Blockable set here for $10. The original price is $40. Pretty good deal. Alright, we're gonna pick this up. Rena is already looking at colors for the cabinets for the new van. This is a really nice green. Yeah, well, we can do something like this with like a natural wood color. Yeah, this could work. I mean, if you have like natural wood with this, I think it will look really nice. Like the beige with this. We'll see. We're also going to pick up a balance bike, a new balance bike for Spence. He's been asking to ride on a bike. I think the one that we got for him is a little bit too small. Let's upgrade to this one. We got a lot of toys for Spencer today, huh? 2 sets of blocks and a balance bike. Very nice. Yeah? Nice, isn't it? You can keep the box. This is really nice. $10 each set. There's even though this one says 18, it came out to just $10. Original price $30. So we saved $20 on each. It's pretty cool. You got a lot of vehicles here. You can start building. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. This is why we don't have any room, or we have stuff everywhere because we keep buying toys for Spencer. There's already no more room to put all this stuff. But the new van's gonna have some really nice dedicated spaces for Spencer's toys. It's gonna be nice. We're leaving the Walmart area now. We ordered some food over at Oliver Gardens. We'll just go pick something up. All right, let's go pick up some food and then we're gonna find a spot to camp for the night. We're here at the Cracker Barrel parking lot. Usually Cracker Barrel allows overnight parking, but there's signs here that says no overnight parking. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give them a call just to check, see if they allow overnight parking. Usually if you ask, they'll let you park. I wonder if we can park at your lot overnight tonight.
We don't actually allow overnight parking, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So it's actually no overnight parking. That is interesting. Oh, don't open that. Hey. All right, I guess we'll park outside. There's spots outside of the hotel there. I just thought that, you know, Cracker Barrel would be a easier spot. Let's park over here. There's some apartment buildings here. Alright, this is where we're gonna stay. There's some apartment buildings behind me, but I think this should be fine. It's like a field here. Should be okay. What did you order?
I ordered seafood Alfredo.
Looks pretty good. Got some meatballs too. Oh, this is not meatballs. What soup did you get? Maestro? This is meatballs then. Here. Meatballs, yeah. You want some meatballs too? Smells pretty good. You want to smell? Smells good, right? It's like a little cheesy, isn't it? Dinner. Would you like a piece of this? Hey, music, leave okay. Want to try a bite? Check out Spencer's new balance bike. You like your new bike?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll play with it tomorrow. We can bring it outside to a park. Yeah. Another new item that's not going to fit in the van, so we got to find a place to put this.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna have fun tomorrow with this. We just got done with dinner, had a little fun with the bike, and it seems like we didn't really do too much today other than the Space Museum. And yeah, just hang out here. Tomorrow we're gonna head over to a zoo in the city of Pablo Zoo. It's gonna be pretty nice. So if you guys want to keep watching, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that it can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Oh, bye 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 bye. Bye bye. Okay.